Hello and welcome to Mr. Jordan's video series for Villarica High School art class. Today we're going to be discussing sketchbooks. We have three things that we're going to talk about regarding sketchbooks. Number one, what for? Why do you need a sketchbook? Number two, what kind of sketchbook should I get? And then number three, where do I get such an item? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started with what for. You will be using your sketchbook in this class, whether it's Art 1 or Art 2 or Art 3, Art 4, or AP Art. You will be using it for sketching. Ta-da! How to draw Mickey, crumbled up paper. That's one that we'll all do. Drawing your hands, contour, and then shading, and then other sort of drawings for sketchbook assignments. Another thing that you might use your sketchbook for is experimental processes, such as taking coffee grounds on glue, and then watercolor, and then making an arrangement and composition that you came up with by yourself. We might try them out for different techniques, using different materials like Conte crayon, graphite, charcoal, to see the difference, peppers. And you will also be using your sketchbooks for collage type projects. Collaging together, and the background here is oil pastel using Citrusol to smooth it out. Same thing here with the collaged elements cut out of magazines and such. Those are just a few of the things. Ooh, don't let me forget notes, beautiful notes on the principles of design and the elements of design. Very important thing that we will use our sketchbooks for. All right, the next thing is, what kind of sketchbook? All right, this is a nice example of a mixed media sketchbook. It's a good quality. Strathmore is a good quality product. This is 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches. Don't get one smaller than this, okay? You're just not going to be able to do much with a sketchbook that's like the size of a thumbnail, okay? No. Yes. It's got a nice spiral binding on it that'll keep it together. This is another one that I think you can probably get at Target or Walmart. It's got a spiral binding. It's got a sort of plastic cover on it. Good stuff. You could go with a hardcover. That's a nice product. They usually stay together pretty well. I think Kayla had this one for a couple of years. This one's another, a little bit larger, 7 by 10 mixed media. A quick word about paper. This is 98 pound paper. And what that means is that it's pretty thick. It's good stuff right here. It means you can, mixed media just means that you can put wet media, dry media, you can put glue in it and it'll hold up really well. And of course, you don't want to get a giant sketchbook like this that you can't carry in your backpack or you can't carry around with you. This is for finished projects, something like this. It's a tablet, but it's not for sketching. It's more for finished projects, not something that you will need as far as a sketchbook is concerned. And the last topic, or the last subject that we're going to cover on this topic is where. Where I would suggest that you go to an art supply store. Blick is a good art supply store. Michael's will work. Hobby Lobby, they will have what you need. But you can also get these products at Walmart, Target, any of the sort of normal stores that you shop in. Usually they will have something like that. I would encourage you to get one with a nice spiral binding or an actual hardbound sketchbook, especially for upper level classes. The ones that fold at the top don't usually hold up very well. All right, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I will see you soon.